In this video I'll show you how to securely mount a security camera on EPS-Insulated Façade, also known as ETICS or EIFS system, without damaging the insulation or created thermal bridges. First I climb up to the installation point. I remove the wall cable grommet where the Ethernet cable comes out of the wall. This is a custom camera junction box that I designed and 3D printed for this installation. It's now time to make holes. I place the box on the wall and mark the 3 mounting points. Then I press the screwdriver through the EPS insulation to create 3 holes. I slightly widen the holes so that the anchors will fit properly. These are special large anchors designed for ETICS and EPS facades. This is where I'm screwing all 3 anchors into the insulation. It's time to mount the junction box. I fed the Ethernet cable through the opening in the box. Then I attach the box to the facade using 3 screws. I'm making sure that the box is perfectly level. I'm using a cordless screwdriver with a torque limiter to avoid damaging the anchors. This is how the box looks once it's mounted, before installing the camera and the cover. Now I prepare the camera cable before mounting the camera. This is how it looks. This is where I'm connecting the camera to the Ethernet cable coming out of the wall. Then I wrap the connector with insulation tape to protect it from moisture. RJ45 connector was already installed. At this point the camera is safely hanging from the cable. Now I begin the final installation. I carefully coil the access cable and place it inside the junction box so everything is hidden and protected. Then I put the cover in place. Finally, I attach the metal camera mounting bracket on top using 2 screws. This is how the box looks with the mounting bracket installed. Finally, I mount the camera onto the bracket and secure it with the bottom screw. And this is the finished installation, a clean, secure and weather protected camera mounted on an EPS insulated facade. Thanks for watching.